G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at November 22nd, 2025's William Tell by Clover. I sure hope he does. Uh, um, yeah, that's me. I'm William. Hello. Uh, we are gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, I'm going to jump into it. This one's a banger. Let's do it. So, this is a Rossini. The last time we talked about what a Sudoku, what a Rossini Sudoku looks like, but let's do the basics. Normal Sudoku rules of play. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, we have some arrows outside the grid. Wherever there is an arrow adjacent to a row or column, the first 3 digits in that row or column must increase in the direction shown. So 2, 4, 6, as an example, could work. However, that was not what I meant to do. But if there is no arrow, say here, then it cannot increase or decrease. So that could not work. That we could not have a 3, 8, 9 because all possible arrows have been given. It's a really interesting one. If you've never solved something like this before, trust me, you're gonna have a very interesting time today. But that being said, I'm gonna jump into it now. Let's do it. So, the key part with this puzzle is not to actually look where the arrows are. There's a lot of possible combinations that could still fit. The key thing is to look at something like this. So if you have 1 and 3, there are so many digits that can go there. But because we have no arrow pointing this way, we need to make sure that whatever digit goes there does not mean that this increases. So it couldn't be, say, 6 because there's no arrow there. So the only 2 possible digits that could, the only digit that could work for is 2. And now down here, this has to be 1, 5, and 4 because there's no arrow. Anything else placed in the box would actually have it increase. Over here, we need a digit that's greater than 6. So this has to be either, I can't stop pressing the wrong button today, 7 or 8. And over here, for this to not increase to the left, this has to be a 7 or an 8. Now, over here, we need a digit that's that's less than 1 or 4, between 1 or 4. That's 2 and 3, and same here, this has to be 2 or 3. We have a 3 in column 7, which means we can do that pretty easily. Now, this needs to be a digit between 7 and 9. Otherwise, anything less would have it increasing upward. So that's an 8. And then anything less than 4, 4 or less, would have this increase to the right. So this actually has to be a 6. That is going to give us quite a bit for us to actually get started on the puzzle. I know some people had some actual troubles solving this squad. 2 and 3 in column 2 tells us that 2 and 3 have to go here. This 2 is going to sort us out. And then this has to increase in this direction, so that's 4 and 1. Now, we still don't quite have, do we have enough to do that? Let's try. 6, 7, 8, 9 is what goes in these cells. Now, oh yeah, that'll do. 6 and 8, we can't put via Sudoku, because we have those there. But this can also just not be a 7 because, sorry, it can't be a 9 and has to be a 7 because if this is 9, how does it increase in that direction? That has to be a 7. We can take the 7 out of these 3 cells and we put the 6, take the 6 out of there. Take the 8 out of there. Now, this can never be a 9 because, actually the easiest way is 4 and 7 needs to go bigger, so that's 9, that's an 8, and that's 6. We can put a 9 here, 5, 6 that way, and 4, 7, 8 in this direction. Out of there. Let's come down here now. We have 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm gonna, that cell just sees 6, 7, 8. This one sees 7. And that one sees 8 and 6. Cool. That one's a little easier. And now this 8 bounces over, and it's going to unwind the 7 and 8 for us. We have a 1, 3 pair, because we have 1 and 3 in column 2. Take the 1 out of there, that's a 1, that's a 3. 2 can't go in this cell, because we've already got it in column 7, so that's 4. We have some given digits that we can just place. And now, this is 5 and 7, but we have the 7 in column 6, so we can undo that. This is 2, 3, and 8. We'll come back to the implications of that in a second. This is 5 and 9. This is 2, 6, and 7. We'll look at the 1 and 9 in column 7. We've got the 1 in row 4, which is going to do a lot for us. And then we've got 3, 4, 6 along here. Take 6 out, take the 4 out. Cool. Now, there's not enough yet to actually solve this puzzle. So the question is, where's the negative constraint coming? So this is going to be the, once we take the 8 and the 2 out of here, let's look at this cell. 5 and 6, if that was 8, it would increase going to the left. So we can take the 8 out of here, and we put the 8 over. Negative constraint does not apply over there, but we can take 2 out of here. This cell, 3 and 4, we need to place a 2 in here. Because 6 or 7 would mean it would increase in that direction. Now, we can place some more digits, I believe. Let me just double check I haven't missed a negative constraint in. Oh, 1, 7. Yep, cool. Yep, cool. So, 1s, 1 has to go there. This is 2, 3, 6, and 7. Quite gonna do it. What else do we have a lot of? We have a lot of 2s. Still not quite helpful. 1, 2, 3, 9. Good, 9. Oh, no, we can't. Never mind. I feel like I'm missing a negative constraint somewhere. It's killing me. Five, 6, 7, 8 along here. Oh, that's easier. 5, 6, 7 means that's an 8. Which comes back up here. 7, 4, 8. Now, this is 5 and 6 along here. We have 5 already in row 5, so column 7. So that's 5 and 6. Allows us to go 3, 4, and 6. Unwinds this pair over here. Put 7 in there. 3 can't go here because we've got the 3 there. So that's 3 and 4. 6 and 7. This can no longer be a 9, so it has to be 5 and 9. We already kind of had that, but 9 and 2. That's been William Tell's Sudoku by Clover. My name is definitely not Tell, but it definitely is William. Yeah, this has been your Daily Gas. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, help out the channel. Yeah, and I will catch you next time. I forgot even what I normally say. It's been so long since I've recorded one of these. But I'll catch you next time. Cheers.